Hi, my name is Taranjeet Singh, and today I'm going to talk about augmentative and alternative communications. So, first start with contents of this video. Contents of this video are introduction about AT and AAC systems, then types of AAC systems, aided communication system, design of AAC systems, then speech generating devices commonly known as SGD, then ethics and references. So what is assistive technology? It's quite simple. Assistive technology is any item, piece of equipment or product system that is used to increase, maintain or improve functional capabilities of individuals with disabilities. In communication, assistive technology can refer to any device that helps a person with hearing loss or a voice, speech, or language disorder to communicate. So, in the next slide, I'm going to talk about augmentative and alternative communication. Augmentative and alternative communication includes all forms of communication other than oral speech that are used to express thoughts, needs, and wants. People with severe speech or language problems rely on augmentative and alternative communication to supplement existing speech or replace speech that is not functional. Special augmentative devices such as picture and symbol communication boards and electronic devices are available to help people express themselves. Types of augmentative and alternative communication systems. These are of two types: unaided communication systems and aided communication system. Unaided communication systems are those which rely on user's body to convey message. For examples, gestures, body language, or sign language. On the other hand, aided communication systems require the use of tools, equipments in addition to user's body. Electronic communication aids allow the user to use pictures, symbols, letters, or words and phrases to create messages. Some devices can be programmed to produce different spoken languages. Aided forms of augmentative and alternative communication systems require some form of external support, either electronic or non-electronic. Aided forms of augmentative and alternative communication systems can be divided into further two types, that is, low tech and high tech. Low tech options include things like visual communication books, pencil and paper, alphabet charts, or e-tron frames. Although these options are less technical than electronic communication devices, they are sometimes easier and quicker to use to communicate with the other persons. On the other hand, high-tech options can include electronic communication devices and softwares that have speech output. Some newer machines are there that contains environmental control which allow you to turn off the lights, change the channel on the TV, and etc. Design of AAC systems. The design of an augmentative and alternative communication system incorporates each individual's strengths and needs. It incorporates individuals' full communication abilities and may include existing speech, vocalization, gestures, language spoken, and or some form of external systems. An individual may use multiple modalities or many systems of augmentative and alternative communication system in combination. A well-designed AAC system is flexible and adaptable. It allows for changes to vocabulary and mode of access as the individual's language and physical needs change over time. Speech generating devices, also known as voice output communication aids, are electronic systems used to supplement or replace speech or writing for individuals with severe speech impairments, enabling them to verbally communicate. These are important for people who have limited means of interacting verbally as they allow individuals to become active participants in communication. In any given speech generating device, there may be a large number of vocal expressions that facilitate efficient and effective communication, including greetings, expressing desires, and asking questions. Augmentative and alternative communication is typically much slower than speech, with users generating 8 to 10 words per minute. However, there are two main options for increasing the rate of communication for an speech generating devices. These are encoding and prediction. Encoding. Encoding permits a user to produce a word, sentence, or phrase using one or two icons or buttons of their SDDs. In numeric, alphanumeric, and letter encoding, words and sentences are coded as sentences of letters and numbers. For example, typing HH or G1 for greeting 1 may retrieve hello, how are you, and so on. On the other hand, prediction includes predicting the word or phrase being written by the user. Prediction is a rate enhancement strategy in which SDD attempts to reduce the number of keystrokes used by predicting a word or phrase. The user can then select the correct prediction without needing to write the entire word. Word prediction software may determine the choices to be offered based on the frequency in the language, association with other words, past choices of user, or grammatical suitability. Some systems, such as auditory sciences interact voice device, they combine encoding and prediction into same system. For example, typing HMF can be encoded shortcut for can you help me find something, and then the prediction capabilities help the user to complete the sentences such as can you help me find my glasses or can you help me find my car keys. When we are communicating with people with disabilities, we have to keep in mind some ethics of communication. Those ethics are we should be patient, flexible, and supportive. We should use positive words. Words like the blind, the retarded, the disabled. These words are inappropriate and negative. Whereas using referring that person to like a normal person, like person with a disability, is descriptive but non-negative. If we offer assistance to a person, we should wait until the offer is accepted. Don't be offended when your offer is rejected, then listen to or ask for instructions. When communicating with individuals who are blind or visually impaired, tell the individual when you're leaving, speak to the individual when you approach him, and state clearly who you are. Speak in a normal tone of voice. These are some references from where I collected some data and did research on my own. You can take a look on this. Assistive technology and assistive communication devices, augmentative and alternative communication from www.asha.org, speech generating devices, communicating devices with assistive technology, assistive devices for people with hearing, voice, and speech or language disorders, disability communication etiquettes and communication methods. Thank you.